Riot platforms. I'm going to show you off of the chart how $9 could be a perfect entry point to ride the market and Riot to higher prices. Let's break this down because you can see from our current price prediction in Riot platforms, we've been anticipating that the market is going to go down, right? This price prediction has been here ever since October the 1st. That's the last video that we've done for this stock. Now you can see for yourself what occurred in terms of price action. And we should not be surprised that the market in Riot did not come all the way down to $7. Why? Because we already identified an area to where buyers were. And look at how many times those buyers came through and kept the price from Riot platforms from going lower. That is a very good indication that that market in Riot platforms is not bearish. Second thing would be this market in Riot platforms is attempting to get outside of this descending triangle. Instead of it continuing to trade lower, this market in Riot platforms is doing what? It's trading from left to right. It's in a channel. Now when earnings come out right there, the 13th of November, will the market in Riot break out or will it break down? You can see off of the current price action that the market is attempting to break out. That's the current sentiment of the market. Maybe once we hit earnings, the market will continue its movement down. Maybe. Let's look at the market in Riot platforms first. Let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. I'm quite sure we had this as one target right there around 875, 5.9% there. Outside of that, that's all that we got. That's how low the market was going to go, which is not a negative thing. I just want to show you how to prepare and how everything won't go according to plan as to your analysis, as to what you think is going to happen. Okay, let's look at the market in Riot on a 2-day chart first. And you can see after this particular market gave us this massive move to the upside on this 2-day price bar, how you can tell that yes, the market did go higher, but the next 2 days the price came back down is because selling really came through. The market closed off of the highs. So all of this volume that occurred on these 2 days of trading, this 2-day price bar was mostly selling because the next 2 days the market went down. And we still went down the next 2 days. We're finally seeing the market buyers hitting this area in Riot platforms now. Check this out on the 3. Again, very good indication of strength. Market trying to break out. But then immediately we came back down. This 3-day price bar, even though we got that strength indicator triggered, was mostly selling. Look at this 3-day price bar. This is the final printed 3-day price bar right there. Is it bullish? To me it is, off of the prior history of Riot, of what those buyers has been doing. For us to see this tells me that they're still in there buying. Here it is on the 5-day. Okay, check this out on the weekly. 2 weeks. 3, 5, and the monthly chart. Okay, so yeah, I got to keep it real. I'm not necessarily seeing this market break out in Riot. The only good thing that I can see is how buyers has been maintaining price around $9. Many of these differing time frames doesn't really reveal that this stock is massively bullish. That's it. They've been doing a good job. The buyers had, like, don't get me wrong, but it's not to the point where I'm convinced that we're about to see this market in Riot massively break out. Okay, I mean, you have to consider all of this price action back here of people who are underwater right now. And every inch that Riot platforms goes up, these individuals who just willing to get out their positions, they're going to hit the market and sell and puts the price right back down. Okay, so the 7-hour chart looks decent. I like it right there. This 7-hour bar right here. Take a look at Riot on the 330-minute chart. It looks decent. I like it. But look at where the last market topped out in Riot. Okay, so we already know that we are going to embark on some selling right around here. Okay, so let me get rid of this descending line. And we're going to take this horizontal line and move it to the left. And I think you guys can see, okay, yeah, this could be an area that increased sell pressure happens. So I really won't become massively bullish until I see Riot break this area, $11.30. Then even if that's the case, this is the next area with all of this volume that came through that the market will have to break. Okay. So these would have to be my first two targets into the market and Riot. So yes, I am anticipating that the market in Riot is bullish. I am going to play a prediction that the market's going to trend to the upside. But these will be the first two areas that I'll be concerned about, that the buyers may not be able to break above. 11.30, then like $12.60. So let's see what we have in terms of movement to the upside. So the first target is around 10.34%. My second target, let's do $12, 17.37. Then my third would be around $12.50, which is around 22.5% move to the upside. Now everything is going to be contingent now on this price holding $9. If the market breaks $9 to the downside, this market definitely is still bearish, massively bearish. And it would just let us know that this opportunity of price holding supporter above $9 was just time for the overall market participant to sell their positions before the next leg down. All right, so I'm finished. Give me your thoughts. What do you guys think the market's about to do in Riot? And let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.